student, in the previous video of chapter 5th Geography, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife, we discussed about the types of vegetation. And the first type, the tropical evergreen forest. Now the second one is tropical deciduous forest. The first word tropical means tropical region, and the second word deciduous means any plant, trees or shrubs that shed their leaves. So tropical deciduous forests are the forest which lose their leaves each year and exist in the tropical regions. These are the most widespread forests in India, and they are mostly found between the equator and the Tropic of Cancer and the Capricorn. However, these forests are also found in the humid area of the subtropical regions. Now these forests are also known as monsoon forest because trees in this forest shed their leaves during the dry season and again regrow during monsoon. In India, the monsoon or the rainy season usually start from July to till September. That is right after the summer season. And the South India quickly receive more rainfall than the North India. So that the forests are mostly found in the region that is between the equator and the Tropic of the Cancers. But then some forests are also exist in the subtropical regions. These forests are usually found in the place that receive rainfall between 70 to 200 centimeters. Based on availability of the water, these forests are subdivided into two parts, the moist deciduous forest and the dry deciduous forest. Moist deciduous forest. The word moist means moisture, as the tropical regions receives good amount of sunlight all through the year. And most of these parts fulfill with rainfall. That means region in India where the moist deciduous forests are finding, they receive the rainfall ranges between 100 to 200 centimeters. In India, we are seeing the two types of the monsoon, the southwest monsoon and the northeast monsoon. And these forests are found around these areas. And the places where these forests are found are the states of the foothills of the Himalayas, that are West Bengal, Manipur, Mizoram region, and the parts of the Chota Nagpur plateau, that are Orissa and West Bengal and the Bihar and the Chota Nagpur, and the eastern coastal plain, that is Orissa and the eastern foothills of the Western Ghats. The trees in these forests shed their leaves during the dry winter and the dry summer due to insufficient moisture. But during monsoon season, the trees regrow their leaves. Rain and moisture are interdependent. That is why moist deciduous forests are found during the rainy seasons or the monsoon seasons. And these forests occupies much larger area than the evergreen forest. So these are also direct victim of the human activities like irrigation and the agriculture. The most common trees are the teak, sal, shisham, mahua, amla, kusum, bamboo, kher, arjun and the sandalwoods. The second type is a dry deciduous forest. The word dry figure out that these forests are located where the rainfall is little lesser than the moist deciduous forest. That ranges between 70 to 100 centimeters. They are similar to the moist deciduous forest. But only difference is a dry deciduous forest are the grow in the areas of the less rainfalls. In this forest, we are finding a vast grassland with neck trees during dry season. And at the ground level, the vast grass and the climber plants we are finding. And these forests are also suffered from the human activities like the overgrazing, forest fire and a vast clearance due to agricultural activities. And these forests are found in the rainier parts of the Pansari Plateau and the plains of Bihar and the Uttar Pradesh. Teak, sal, peepal, neem are the important trees of these forests. Lion, tiger, deer, elephant, pig are found in this forest, and a huge variety of birds, lizards, snakes and tortoises are also found here. In the next video, we will discuss about the thorn forest and the scrubs. Now topic related these question answers you have to do on your fair note.